Hi, my name's Lee. I'm the Managing Director of Pass and Go Driving School. Welcome to Team PNG. So, who is Pass and Go Driving School? Pass and Go was originally set up in 2007, and back in those days it was run from a very small bedroom of my flat. Now, fast forward 15 years later, we have online diary systems which we've built from scratch, call centres, managers, processes, and everything you'd expect from a national franchise. But what's been most important throughout all of these years is to make sure we keep a family feel within our company. We do have family members working in the company. We are a family business, so it's very, very important we keep that core value of family at our heart. How we've been able to achieve this: we do regular meetings with our instructors monthly. We keep in touch with them via text and email and calling. But the most important aspect is that they have direct access to the likes of myself and my operations manager, Dean, by having our phone numbers. They can contact us pretty much 24/7, and we're there to help them. Now, obviously, we have call centres and managers and processes, and we hope that they follow them things where possible. But the important thing is they do have a connection to us directly. And that allows us at Pass and Go, myself and Dean, to be able to keep in touch with our team and to also make sure we don't lose touch with our company. So that's the core thing here. We actually class ourselves as a new national franchise with a local family feel. If you want to find out more, you can contact our call centre on 0333 207 0663. Or if you want, you can contact me directly. I have no problem whatsoever when you contact me directly, and my number is 07979 800 261. You can also email us, which the email will come to me, and that's at findyourhappy@passandgo.net. We do feel it's important that people find they're happy in life, and we hope here at Pass and Go that we can help some people along the way find theirs. Alright, well, thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day today, and we'll look forward to hearing from you. Bye bye now.